In this video, I will show you how to install a sign on an 8-story building. I have two options. Hire a Spider-Man to install it, or use a crane truck. The crane truck was too expensive, so I chose Spider-Man. He has a team specialized in sky installation. You can see him now, working high outside the building with a helmet and camera. I asked him to film the installation process. He's drilling a hole and then install the screws. It's really dangerous job, and it's crucial to take all necessary safety measures. You can also see the behind of the sign. There's a metal frame. That's how we're securing the sign. Spider-Man drilled the hole and installed the screws quickly. He just finished it now and back to the ceiling. You can see the whole sign now is on top of the building. It's a government authority's logo. They have the budget to do this job.